Razak Asiimwe is my name, and I'm here to talk about the human heart. The human heart is important to pump blood through our body parts, and it has the four major parts, and these are the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left ventricle, and the left atrium. So it has even other parts, and these are the inferior vena cava and the superior vena cava. It has even valves, and these are the tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. So let me tell you how all these functions. The function starts when oxygenated blood is carried from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. So remember, when you breathe in oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitric oxide. Those are three types of air. So they will enter the lungs, they will pass through the trachea, or let me say the windpipe. We have two pipes, which we have the food pipe or the esophagus. The windpipe, it's called even the trachea. That's the major name. So it will enter into the lungs, and in the lungs we have air sacs, let me say the alveoli. These take in oxygen and let carbon dioxide and nitric out. So when the heart pumps the blood to the lungs, it will mix with the oxygen, and this blood will go back to the heart. So it will pass through the left atrium of the heart, and it will contract, and the left ventricle will relax, and this blood will be pumped into it. Simultaneously, this blood will be pumped into the aorta, and the aorta will transport the blood to different parts of our body, excluding the lungs. So when this oxygen in the blood gets used up, it will come back to the heart by the means of the blood capillaries, or the branching blood vessels. They are usually found on our hands and our thumbs. So it will come back by the means of the vena cavas, and it will enter the heart. It will first come to the right atrium of the heart, and if the right atrium contracts, the blood will be pumped into the right ventricle, and if the right ventricle relaxes, the blood will come into it, and after it will contract, and this blood will be pumped into the pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery will drive the blood to the lungs for oxygenation again. And this whole process works just in one heartbeat. So let me tell you the use of the valves. When the blood tries to reverse, these will close, and the blood will bump and go back to the respective places. So I think you've liked my video. Thank you.